Surprise! This is video number 3. And if you have been practicing video number 1 and video number 2, you already know the entire rainbow fish. I can't wait to show you. This piece is in ABA form, so the A section repeats after the B section. Watch me play the whole piece and you're going to be so excited because you can already play the whole thing. Oh, Rainbow Fish is such a fun piece to play, and you can learn it by rote. Remember, learning by rote is just listening to it and watching somebody play it, and you can learn it without knowing your notes. But you should get your book. You should get your book so that you can start learning to read the notes. This is a great book, and I'm going to link it in the comments below. Okay, so let me put my hands on here so you can watch and learn to play the whole piece. You can play along if you want to. Be ready after part number 2. It's going to be just like the part number 1. A section, B section, which was part number 2, and then the A section again. Here we go. Let me put my hands up here for you. Enjoy Rainbow Fish. Okay, here we go. Remember, we're beginning on middle C with our left hand, finger number 4, and our right hand on these 3 black keys. I'm holding down my pedal throughout the entire piece. I never pick up my foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, listen now. Rainbow over. And then we hold, and with our eyes, we're looking for that C below middle C. And we do the whole thing again. Here's our 3rd time. So we land. Now we're looking for the C that's 2 octaves below middle C and play it 3 times. Very gentle. Now we bring our hands in. Here's part 2. Rainbow up. Okay, and now we're going to do that again, but just up an octave. Okay, here's the surprise. Get ready. Middle C, just like the A section, beginning. Here is the 3rd time. Land. With your eyes, find the C below middle C. Slow down, and land and hold and listen, hold and listen. When the sound's almost gone, rainbow your hands to your lap. And that's it for Rainbow Fish. Oh my goodness. What a great piece. Get your book today. I'm sure that your teacher will help you. If you don't have a teacher, message me. I'll be happy to help you learn Rainbow Fish. I hope you're having fun. This is a great piece. You can listen to all those wonderful whole tone sounds on the piano in Rainbow Fish. I'll see you in the next video.